Here's a little impromptu video of the William McKinley Presidential Monument, National Monument. It's a really nice frosty morning. So there's a lot of people out. Well, not a lot, but people running up and down the stairs, getting a workout in. There's a presidential library here. This site and the monument are owned and maintained by the Stark County Historical Society, I believe. Yeah, it's really nice. Walk up there in a second. Unfortunately, we have a Kia Soul that is parked right in the very center. But hopefully they move sometime soon. If I remember correctly, McKinley was the president from 1897 to 1901 when he was assassinated. He's known for having overseen the Spanish-American War and setting a lot of tariffs and other protectionist policies that were beneficial to the economy at the time. Statue of him. I don't know if I said it already, but I'm in Canton, Ohio. Can I read that? Yeah, you can. So, McKinley is from Niles, Ohio, but he called Canton home, which is why the monument is here, rather than in Niles. Here's the back of that statue. So the monument was completed in 1907, which was 6 years after he was assassinated. And this is where he is also entombed. I forget the name of the cemetery, I need to look it up, but whatever cemetery this is what surrounds his tomb. Little details. Canton over there, downtown Canton. I doubt it's open. Island. Their daughters, William and Ida McKinley. bronze piece above the door. Green granite that makes up the sarcophagus, the central structure in the monument is green granite from Vermont, which is pretty cool. So I'm pretty certain the name of the cemetery that surrounds this is West Lawn Cemetery. You can't access it from the monument anymore. They put up fences, which I think is kind of odd, but they chose to do that. Okay, you can't really get a view of it from here. I mean, you can see the fence over there, of course. There's some nice fence down that a ways. Yeah. Presidential seal out front here. These oak trees are awesome, lining the entryway. I'm going to go to the far end of it. There's the view. I'll probably go by the house that he and his wife Ida lived in downtown Canton. That's where I'll probably end the video. I will head over there now. So I'm downtown Canton now. This is the Saxton-McKinley house. First built 1840 by George DeWall. That's the rear portion of it. And then James Saxton, who is Ida McKinley's father, built the front portion in 1870. And then once Ida got married later on in life, well, first they lived in a house north of here, which is now gone, but she and William McKinley then lived here until he became president in 1897. So, pretty cool. I might see if I can go in, but the rest of the National Historic Site, so this property and the building down there that's in the shade right now, those are all part of the First Lady's National Historic Site. Take a look at the home here. It's so cool. Awesome Victorian house. There's giant blocks of sandstone for a foundation. I'm sure this street has changed quite a bit since this house was built. Check out the rear portion of it. So yeah, this whole bit of it is from 1840. I noticed it doesn't have the little cornice pieces like this one does. I mean, obviously on the porch side it does. And here's the rear of it. I guess that'll conclude my tour then of those two sites. Pretty cool stuff. I would take a tour inside, but I think I'm gonna keep heading down the road.